very privileged to work with Lexi and Dana. Dana, she's amazing. She often brings a lot of advice and she's a true consultant. Lexi brings a lot to the table, a lot of experience, a lot of integrity. She's very good at what she does.
Karen's a fantastic leader in the recruitment industry and recruitment in Sydney.
The winning character traits of people that are successful at Big Wave Digital are having
competitive spirit and wanting to help others.
Respecting others and professionalism.
If you're a high achiever, have grit, resilience and the determination to be the best version of yourself, then we'd love to have a chat.